Hi everyone, Cherie Rose from Yours Truly by Rose here. I wanted to get on and let you know how long it takes to make stuffed animals. Now I'm talking about the crochet kind, not the ones you get at Build-A-Bear. This guy took me 5 hours to make. I love the details of him. I just follow the pattern from one of the Amigurumi books or the Zumigurumis or however you say that. I followed the pattern for that book and it turned out really cute. I used alpaca yarn and just some scraps that I had lying around with the pink and then a little bit for the brown. So let's show you how long it really took me to make this kitty cat. Thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you take a moment to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching. And I wanted to give you a... Lily, knock it off. You went yet? Do you think that'd be fun? I think that'd be fun. He's tired.